Hey guys, if you are here, that means you are ready to grow, learn, and level up your knowledge. I'm Smriti Ranjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ecom Business. Today, I'm going to unlock the power of boost your sales on eBay.com. Let's get started. First, inside the seller hub, I am already inside the seller hub. So there are so many items inside my seller hub. You can see today I will show you by doing two of my items by boosting. You can see how you can boost your sales on ebay.com. First, come to the inside the seller hub. Then just I will just open this item. Then just move the cursor to the item name. Just click right click, open link in a new tab. Just click here. Then you can see this is my product, and this is the product name, and this is the product price, and this is the estimated arrival of time. That means if someone purchase this item, the estimated arrival time, the item will be delivered to the customer. And these are the product description and these are the specifications. I will boost this item today. Just see how I am boosting this item. Okay, just left side corner of the page, just click revise listing. You can see here is the revise listing. Just click here. It will redirect to the page in the listing page. When you have started the listing, this was the page. We have to give in all the data of the products so that a listing can be done. So these are this place. It will bring to this place, and just scroll down, and here you can see the drive sales by boosting your listing into more visible positions. There are two type of promotions are there. That means we have to promote our listings to increase the sales. There are two type of promotions are there. One is general, you can see, and another is the priority, you can see. So what is general and what is priority? In general, your products will be 100% more visible on average, you can see, and also basic access to ad placements across eBay. Second one, pay per sale, on only pay a fee when an item sells. Accelerate sales, you can see, on any type of listing, especially useful on low quantity listing. In priority boosting, in priority promotions, the 200% more visibility on average, you can see. If you go through the priority boost promotion, then your product will be 200% more visible to the customers. And what is the benefit? The preferential ranking in ad placement across eBay. Pay per click, you have to click how much how much customer will click on your item, you have to pay for that. Multiple sales on multi quantity listing, especially useful in highly competitive category. Okay, though if you are a new seller, I would recommend you just go through general promotions. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. Just come to this page, then click on general. Once you will click here, the promotion will be active, and here it will show you what is the percentage eBay is going to charge if you will go through these promotions. Here you can see 12%. Particularly, the eBay promotion charges will be changed according to the product listing, product category. So you can see for the particularly for this product, eBay will charge 12%. Earlier, eBay will not charge to you. If your item will sold, if you have promoted this item and your item sold out, then eBay will charge 12% of the sale amount, you can see. Okay, then just click here, then click revise it. Okay, wow. Another one is the priority boosting, priority promotion. Just switch off, then switch on priority. If you will go to the priority promotion, then the campaign target daily budget. Daily budget means every day eBay will charge you 5 USD. The minimum amount is 3 USD, you can see, but eBay recommended 5 USD. Every day eBay will charge 5 USD and your product will be more visible to the customer. When the customer will search the item of name of your item, then the item will show upside of the search bar. You can see. Okay. So if you are new seller, so don't go through the priority. Either you are getting the profit or not, you have to pay 5 USD to eBay every day. So I would recommend just to go through the general promotion. General promotion will be better for the new sellers. So if your product will sold out, then eBay will charge. Okay, just click on general here, then just revise it, click here. You can see it will take some time. Then you can see the listing has been revised. That means listing has been promoted. Just click here. How we can be confirmed that either this item has been promoted or not? Just again come to inside the seller hub. Just go to that listing. You can see here is the listing I have promoted. This is the item. This item I have promoted. Just go to the right side of the product. You can see this is the general and promoted. My R rate is 12%. Okay, then I will show you in different ways how you can promote your listing inside the seller hub. Okay, in that process I just open that item and go to the revise the listing, then promoted the product. Inside the seller hub I will show you how you can promote this listing inside the seller hub. No need to go anywhere. Okay, just I will show you by promoting this item. Just come to the right side. You can see the general and the promotion eligible and the suggested ad rate 12%. Okay, you can see here is the promote option is here. If you want to promote this item, just click on promote. Then you can see promote your listing page will open. Then two types of promotions are there. One is general and another is priority. I will go through general, then just switch on this term. You can see there are two types of rates are there. One is the dynamic rate and another is the fixed rate. So always go through fixed rate. Dynamic rate means it may changes. Sometimes it may changes according to the products, but fixed rate means either what will be your product price, the eBay will charge only 12% of the sale amount. So just keep it in fixed ad rate. Just apply here. You can see now. Just come to the seller hub and you can see this item has been promoted. You can see in this way you can boost your sales by promoting the listing on ebay.com. Also the sales also depends on how fast you are delivering the items to the customers. Okay, so try to reduce the handling time. You try to keep the handling time minimum. Within the minimum short time you have to prepare your item and ship the item to the carrier so that it can be delivered to the customer. And also keep one thing you should keep in mind, the quality of the product should be best. When you are preparing your item, use proper shipping labels, proper shipping packages, so that the item will be delivered safely to the customer. Also these things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, these are the process you can boost your sales on ebay.com. Okay, and one positive thing is that eBay is not going to charge you when your product will someone purchased your item. Then eBay will charge the 12 not the 12%. The percentage maybe changes according to the categories, but a fixed rate. When you will be start the promoting, that time you the eBay will show you how many percentage eBay is going to charge if this product sold. Okay, so these are the process. You can go through that, and in this way you can boost your sales on ebay.com. Okay, so if you get some idea, then just like my video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends who is interested in this business. If you have any doubt, any questions, my comment section is open for you guys. Just write down your question in the comment section. I will try my level best to give answer to each and every person. Today I am ending this video here. See you again with another new video. Till that time, bye bye. Take care.